Hey guys, Cindy here. Hey guys, Cindy here. On another video. Today I will actually finally have very small protein. Finally, I've been looking over for a short time, and I finally got one. So this won't be demo. Because apparently, when I downloaded Jurassic Park, it was a demo. So I didn't know why. It was really cool. So yeah, guys. Oh, by the way, My Little Pony, I'll try to do that too, okay? I already have like a full video adding this guy to here, which I think I got from Christmas. I think it was also from like another guy. Yeah. Yeah, that's like a little announcement. And also, I'm making another time machine app, which will be a lot like Back to the Future too. Well, except the intro. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm also making Minecraft map also. It's like an epic city, 2D city, and still for me, TV News, which my last one sucked terribly. So, yeah, I also last night I recorded this big stream since my mom was using my laptop, so yeah, bye guys. See you in there.